This colorful shrimp and pineapple salad is bright, juicy, and so addictive. Every bite bursts with freshness. Sweet pineapple, tender shrimp, crunchy vegetables, roasted peanuts, and a creamy, zesty peanut lime dressing that makes healthy eating taste like pure joy. You'll need 1 cup of shrimp, peeled, deveined, and raw. 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks. 1 small cucumber, thinly sliced. 1 cup of red or green cabbage, finely shredded. 1 medium red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 small carrot, julienned. Half of a small red onion, thinly sliced. A handful of cherry tomatoes, halved. A small bunch of fresh cilantro or parsley, roughly chopped. A 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, roughly crushed. A pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. To season the shrimp, mix them with a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a squeeze of lime juice. Stir to coat well. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, then add the shrimp in a single layer. Cook for about 2 minutes on one side until they turn pink. Then flip and cook for another minute. Once both sides are pink and slightly golden at the edges, remove them from the pan and let them cool. This quick sautéing locks in flavor while keeping them tender and juicy. For the creamy peanut lime dressing, combine 3 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, the juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 clove of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of warm water, and a pinch of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Whisk until smooth and glossy. Now, slice the pineapple into small golden chunks, thinly slice the cucumber, and prepare your vegetables. Red or green cabbage, carrots, bell pepper, and red onion. Add everything into a large mixing bowl with the cherry tomatoes. The colors should already look like a celebration. Pour the dressing generously over the salad and toss gently until coated in that creamy, tangy, nutty flavor. Add the sautéed shrimp, sprinkle with crushed roasted peanuts for crunch, and top with chopped cilantro or parsley. Season lightly with salt and black pepper to balance the flavors. Serve it chilled for the ultimate refreshing bite. Pair it with a few sesame rice crackers for a satisfying crunch, and a glass of citrus sparkling water. Just lemon, mint, and bubbles. And there you have it, the colorful shrimp and pineapple salad that's taking over YouTube. It's light, vibrant, and unbelievably addictive. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear how yours turned out. And don't forget to subscribe and share so more people can enjoy this colorful goodness too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next fun food story.